Unlock your professional potential with AI-generated headshots that are both stunning and cost-effective. Today, we're diving into Midjourney to create incredible headshots, perfect for your LinkedIn profile, website, or any professional platform, all from the comfort of your home. Forget the expensive studio bookings. We're leveraging the power of AI to bring your vision to life. First, let's get started by crafting a compelling prompt. Think of this as your instruction manual for the AI. Will begin by specifying the core subject: a professional headshot of a. Now, let's add crucial details for a professional look. Include terms like business attire, confident expression, and looking directly at the camera. This ensures the AI understands the desired pose and demeanor. For the background, you had endless creative freedom. You could opt for a classic and professional soft studio background, or perhaps something more dynamic like a blurred city skyline for a modern feel. Lighting is key to a polished headshot. Try specifying soft, flattering studio lighting, or even golden hour lighting for a warmer, more inviting look. You can also add details about the camera angle, such as eye-level shot. We can also infuse artistry. Consider adding stylistic elements. For instance, cinematic lighting can add a dramatic flair, or minimalist aesthetic can create a clean, modern image. Experiment with different artistic styles, like Rembrandt lighting for a classic painterly effect. Once you've entered your prompt, Midjourney will generate several variations. You can then upscale the ones you like best, refining them further if needed. This iterative process allows you to hone in on the perfect headshot. As you can see, with the right prompts, Midjourney can produce headshots that rival traditional photography, offering a cost-effective and highly customizable solution for all your professional imaging needs. So, go ahead and start creating your powerful new professional image today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI creative tutorials.